Hello everyone, my name is Ronak and you are watching VectoArt. So in today's video will be a continuation of the last video that we made on the getting started on Avalonia. So if you haven't seen that video, I'll leave a link in the description. Please do check it out and then you can continue on this video. So here today we will discuss on the Mvvm pattern. That is the next step for our video. So if you go to the documentation, the next phase is the model view model pattern. So let's click on that, and it describes what Mvvm is, and it has given a small code snippet on how we can implement it on our application. So this is just a small demo, it is not the whole pattern. We will be discussing the whole pattern in the later section, but this is just as an introduction. So let's copy that XAML and paste it on our window, main window.xaml. Let's copy the data context and paste it here after the initialize component, and then let's copy this whole class. Basically this will observe the changes and notify whenever a property is changed. So let's implement this interface, and so whenever the button is clicked, it will observe the property changed, that is the click event, and then it will change the text. So let me run this change first and see it in action. So it is working as expected. So let's stop this and let's go through the code changes that we made. So it says that in this we are using the data context property to an instance of the main window view model. So this is the data context that we have created, and this is the button text at the start, click me, and we are setting that in the get property, and in the set we are invoking the property change event. So whenever the button is clicked, we are invoking the property changed, and once the property is changed, it will change the text as well. So for using the command, we are binding that command to the button clicked, function, and that's it guys. So next we are going to take a look at our controls and layouts. So stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.